What a stunning place, and I didn't know that this existed. And good afternoon. I love my Sunday afternoon walks, and wow, this view, let me show you the view. So I've just noticed there's a bit of an industrial area, and you can see residential here, and you've got this beach line walk here. You can see all the islands over here as well. Oh, what's going on now? Toys. I have no idea what's going on right now. Welcome to Korea. Sadly, it is my last week here in Busan. You know, those 30 days go so quickly. But I've got a lot of plans for my final week. I'm going to get to some markets, going to share the cost of living here in Busan, going to give you a tour around my local neighbourhood, and yeah, we're going to get to some coastal areas to see some temples and have a bit of an explore around for my final week. Having to zoom in a little bit on the GoPro because the beach is that big, it's huge. Yeah, I think the tide must be out. There are a few surfers around here. I just noticed this walkway. You probably can't see it, it's really overcast. We'll get a bit closer. Yeah, the tide must be out. The beach is huge. A few families here chilling out Sunday afternoon. Right, so this is the garden and parks area, which we'll have an explore after. And this is the direction we're going to head in and hopefully get onto that trail. As you can see, I'm on the right side now. It's a bit unnerving when you see all of the tsunami signs to the shelters. Yeah, it's a really nice vantage point from here. And there's plenty of seating as well as you're walking around. As a video creator, it's something that you're always thinking about when you're filming is, oh, is this good lighting and everything, and it's not great lighting for creating a video, but I'm just capturing it for my memories more than anything else. There's a little bit of wind, so hopefully you can hear me. I've got my different microphone on today. Nice little walk that. I think we'll walk around the park and gardens now and find some food. So the audio is going to be all over the place now, but never mind. We're not aiming for perfectionism today. So yeah, these signs: natural disaster hazard area, tsunami, evacuation route. Lovely Korean people just saying hello, how are you? I think that's all they could speak English. So nice though. So these are the air compressors that I was telling you about, where I've not seen them in any other parks in the world that I've been to, but just where you can dust yourself down with the air pressure. One of the locals was giggling at me then because I was filming the air pressure things. Some light music around here. Seems to have stopped doing the music. That's bad timing. No swimming. And a little warning that it's slippery. There are some steps that you can walk across, I've just noticed, but they're covered in water. So I'm just sat down on a seat having my teasel, which is basically pink grapefruit and black tea. 0 sugar. Chilling time. can just see here, Wi-Fi box. Yeah, you find that in all of the parks here in Korea. While it is an overcast day, the temperature is perfect and that breeze is so nice as well. We're definitely heading towards autumn. It's just over here, you can see they've got like a little five-a-side football area, which is great. Lots of families out. Doesn't look to be a great deal up here, so I think we'll go more towards the beach side, I think. What a stunning place, and I didn't know that this existed. Wow, I did not know that this existed. Also to say that I've been walking around here for about an hour and a half and I've not seen one foreigner. Everybody's Korean. All the signs, most of the signs are in Korean, which normally an idea that there's not many tourists come here. Beautiful, just look at this view. I've got to show you this view. Wow. I will have to try my best to zoom in when I'm doing the edit because I don't think the GoPro does this view justice. Wow. Stunning, even on an overcast day. I did wish that I'd have brought my Sony camera now to get some shots of the views of the islands and the mountains. Absolutely stunning it is. And like I said, the temperature is just absolutely perfect. Right, I think I'm going to go and find some food, even though I could just walk and walk all the way up here and keep walking. But I need some food, my stomach is grumbling. I just had to climb over a fence to get to where I am now. This fence here, I'm only a short ass, it was a bit of a challenge. And this kind gentleman just walking away is the one that helps me over. And from here you can also look at these magnifying telescope, should I say. And this just here is all the network of paths. Stunning. And as you can see, it just goes on and on and on. There's this walkway, I don't know how long it runs for. Stomach is grumbling. Okay, let's do a 360-degree walk around. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to finish the video here. I really hope you've enjoyed today's walk because I certainly have. It's definitely a much nicer place than I thought it was going to be. Like all this nature reserve area, beautiful and so tranquil. I'll see you all again very soon with a new video from Busan in South Korea. Until then, take care and don't forget to explore.